ไปอุดดูมิสเตอร์รีแอคชั่นกาบีนั่นแหละมาเตะเบสบ้าโบรคม
Hey, that's your cup?
Oh, cup and bottle. Come, let's go. Where's your bag?
My bag inside
Okay,
here.
okay, come.
Okay.
I will teach you some kasi.
What?
Ma. Kasi ma. Kasi
Ma. Ma.
Nila dep lekai football.
Nila Deb Lakai football.
Just now finish, no?
Huh.
Oh, say, hoi, kiu.
Oh,
you. Kiu.
Kiu.
Kublai shibun perlok.
Kublai Shibon Parlog.
Yeah, I mean you understand I think.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Like that.
Kalong kae kabasa tenat. Kalong kae
Kalong kahe
kaba
kaba
sngew
sngew
tenat.
panat
Hangneha
rilum
rilum kasi
kasi
jantia.
jantia.
Ta. Kublai shibun perlok.
Kublai Shibon Parlog.
Ta.
Nahi api.
Ngai lagi.
Okay.
Mana bicara?
I'm big fan. I'm your big fan.
Thank you so much. Thank
My
you
English
so much.
is broken like up and down.
No problem. Yeah, you can also speak here. Yeah, you can see yourself,
Yeah.
right?
Hello guys, my English is up and down.
No
I'm very
problem.
poor in English. And how many days will we stay in Meghalaya? I mean Shillong.
Till 22 November. Yeah.
Oh, then what about the two guys?
The two guys?
Yeah, then one Nepali and that one.
Yes. Nepali, she went back to Nepal, and the other guys they're in Andhra Pradesh. Yeah.
Then who come with you? I mean you come.
I came alone only.
Alone?
Yeah, I came alone. Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Ma,
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
That's it.
Okay. Love you, Kublai Shibon.
Dominik boy, my channel is
Dominik.
boy.
Okay. Subscribe to Dominik Boy. Love from Africa.
Thank you. Top. Oi, penbiang sa position. Hey, oh, Mr. Gabi. Amo, mat man siya. Apsa.
Along with the two people and 7 goals.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, what's that?
Let me start with you. Four. Sila dia.